Hello friends, welcome to Stay Study World.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
Today we will discuss Central Government New Ministry of Cooperation. Let's begin. Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister. Cabinet Ministers: Sri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence; Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation; Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways; Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs; Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare; Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs; Sri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs; Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development; Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of Textiles; Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship; Sri Prahalad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines; Sri Narayan Tatturen, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises; Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of Ayush; Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs; Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment; Sri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj; Sri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation; Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel; Sri Ashwin Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communication and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology; Sri Pasupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries; Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti; Sri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice; Sri Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy; Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs; Sri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers; Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labour and Employment; Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries; Sri Parasottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying; Sri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of North Eastern Region; Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports; Ministers of State, Independent Charge: Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning and Ministry of Corporate Affairs; Dr. Jitendra Singh, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Arts Sciences, Ministry of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy and Minister of State in the Department of Space. Ministers of State: Sri Sripad Yeso Nayak, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Tourism; Sri Fagan Singh Kulaste, Ministry of Steel and Ministry of Rural Development; Sri Prahalad Singh Patel, Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of Food Processing Industries; Sri Ashwin Kumar Chaube, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. General V.K. Singh, Minister of Road Transport and Highways and Ministry of Civil Aviation. Sri Krishan Pal, Ministry of Power and Ministry of Heavy Industries. Sri Danve Rao Sahib Dada Rao, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines. Sri Ramdas Atwale, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Ministry of Rural Development. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Sri Nityananda Rai, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, Ministry of Finance. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Ministry of Law and Justice. Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Susri Sobha, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardos, Ministry of Textiles and Ministry of Railways. Sri V. Muralidharan, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Culture. Sri Som Prakash, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Srimati Renuka Singh Saruta, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Sri Rameswar Telli, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Ministry of Labour and Employment. Sri Kailash Chaudhary, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Srimati Annapurna Devi, Ministry of Education. Sri A. Narayan Swamy, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Kaushal Kishore, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sri Ajay Bhatt, Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Tourism. Sri B.L. Verma, Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region and Ministry of Cooperation. Sri Ajay Kumar, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Debu Singh Chauhan, Ministry of Communications. Sri Bhagwant Khuba, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Kapil Moreshwar Patil, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Susri Pratima Bhaumik, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Ministry of Education. Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Ministry of Finance. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Education. Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sri Vishweswar Tudu, Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Ministry of Jal Shakti. Sri Santanu Thakur, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Dr. Munjapara Mohendra Bhai, Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Ayush. Sri John Barla, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Dr. L. Murugan, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Sri Nitish Parmanik, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Youth. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.